multinomial theorem. X plus y raised to n equal to sigma r equal to 0 to n NCR x raised to n minus r y raised to r. Sum of all such type of terms gives x plus y raised to n. Sigma r equal to 0 to n, NCR is n factorial upon n minus r factorial into r factorial, x raised to n minus r, y raised to r. Now putting n minus r equal to r1 and r equal to r2. r1 plus r2 is n. So x plus y raised to n is sigma r1 plus r2 equal to n. All such terms we will consider such that r1 plus r2 becomes n. It is n factorial upon r1 factorial into r2 factorial into x raised to r1, y raised to r2. Considering three variable, it is also for three variable also. X plus y plus z raised to n, so sigma r1 plus r2 plus r3 is n factorial upon r1 factorial, r2 factorial, r3 factorial into x raised to r1, y raised to r2, z raised to r3. In the same fashion, we can write the multinomial theorem. K variables x1 plus x2 plus and so on xk raised to n, that is sigma r1 plus r2 plus and so on rk equal to n factorial upon r1 factorial, r2 factorial dot 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 rk factorial into x raised to r1, sorry, x1 raised to r2, x2 raised to x1 raised to r1, x2 raised to r2 and so on xk raised to rk. Here total number of terms in the expansion x1 plus x2 plus and so on xk raised to n is equal to the number of non-negative integral solution of r1 plus r2 plus and so on r plus rk equal to n, and that is n plus k minus 1 c k minus 1. Now general term in the expansion of a plus bx plus cx square plus dx cube plus and so on raised to n is general term according to this way: n factorial upon alpha factorial, beta factorial into gamma factorial into delta factorial dot 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 into ax raised to 0, this is this term, raised to alpha, bx raised to 1 raised to beta, cx square raised to alpha, dx cube raised to delta dot 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 dot. Simplifying, n factorial upon alpha factorial, beta factorial, gamma factorial, delta factorial dot dot dot. A raised to alpha, separating multiples, a raised to alpha, b raised to beta, c raised to gamma, d raised to delta into dot 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 into x raised to, this is 1, so we will not consider, x raised to beta plus 2 gamma plus 3 delta dot 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 dot, where alpha, beta, gamma, delta are non-negative integers such that alpha plus beta plus gamma plus delta plus dot 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 is n. Now the coefficient of x raised to r, certain term in this expansion, a plus bx plus cx square plus dx cube plus and so on raised to n, where n belongs to n and a b c d belongs to c, they may be complex number, can determine by writing the above multinomial a plus bx plus cx square plus dx cube plus and so on n equal to sigma alpha plus beta plus gamma plus delta plus and so on n equal to n factorial upon alpha factorial, beta factorial, gamma factorial into delta factorial, a raised to alpha, b raised to beta, c raised to gamma, d raised to delta dot 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 x raised to beta plus 2 gamma plus 3 delta plus dot dot dot. Here the coefficient of x raised to r is the coefficient of those terms in the above expansion which follow the given two condition. One is alpha plus beta plus gamma plus delta plus and so on n, and beta plus 2 gamma plus 3 delta plus and so on is r, where alpha, beta, gamma, delta dot 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 all being to non-negative integral solutions.